Hic. What even is that? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts. That quick movement sucks air in, and your vocal cords snap shut, creating the hic sound. But why does it happen? It can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, sudden excitement, even a temperature change. It's your body reacting to irritation in nerves between your brain, neck, and stomach. Most hiccups go away in minutes. But the longest case? 68 years. To stop them, hold your breath, sip water, or scare your nervous system back into sync. Weird, but human. Subscribe to SmartScroll for more reflex science.